You probably see it in your kitchen every single day. That simple, common mineral you sprinkle on your food. You think you know it, right? But what if I told you that you're overlooking its most ancient and potent power? A power that ancient traditions believe can shield your most personal, sacred space, your bedroom, from unseen forces that could be draining your energy, disturbing your peace, and even hijacking your dreams. So many of us miss the subtle signs. We blame restless nights on stress, morning fatigue on a bad mattress, and that lingering tension in the room on a long day. But in many spiritual traditions, these are viewed as symptoms of a deeper energetic imbalance. By the end of this video, you won't just see these signs clearly, you'll also have the ancient knowledge to turn this common household item into a powerful spiritual guardian, one that can cleanse, protect, and restore the sanctity of your most intimate space. Before you dismiss this as just folklore, let's be clear. The spiritual significance of salt isn't some new age trend. This is a practice woven into the very fabric of human history and faith. For thousands of years, across countless cultures, salt has been revered as a sacred mineral with profound purifying and protective properties. From the Shinto traditions in Japan that use salt to purify sacred spaces, to European folk magic that uses salt circles to ward off unwanted energies, the belief in its power is practically universal. In practices like Vastu Shastra and Feng Shui, salt is a fundamental tool for clearing out negativity. Even in the Bible, salt is mentioned over 40 times, not just as a seasoning, but as a symbol of purification, preservation, and a divine promise. So when we talk about placing salt in your bedroom, we're not just repeating an old wives' tale. We're tapping into a current of ancient wisdom that teaches that the unseen world can have a real effect on our physical and emotional well-being. Your bedroom is more than just where you sleep. It's where you are most vulnerable, where your spirit seeks rest and regeneration. It's a sanctuary, and every sanctuary needs a guardian. So, what is this humble mineral believed to do when placed with intention in your bedroom? Its power can be understood through three core ideas: protection, purification, and peace. First and foremost, salt is seen as a spiritual shield. Think of it like a divine barrier or a spiritual security system for your room. Many spiritual traditions hold that salt creates an invisible wall that negative energies and unwanted spiritual influences can't penetrate. If you ever feel that inexplicable sense of unease or a creepy feeling that you're not alone, it's often interpreted as a sign that your energetic boundaries are weak. Placing a bowl of sea salt or rock salt in the corners of your bedroom, under your bed, or on your windowsill is said to fortify these boundaries. It essentially declares the space as consecrated and protected. This is considered especially powerful for those who suffer from persistent nightmares. In this view, nightmares are more than random brain activity. They can be incursions of negative energy into your dreamscape. A common ritual is to place a small bowl of sea salt under the bed specifically to absorb this negative dream energy. When you toss it out in the morning, you're believed to be physically removing the source of that spiritual disturbance. Beyond just protection, salt is seen as a master purifier. It doesn't just block negativity, it's believed to actively absorb and neutralize it. Now, salt is scientifically hygroscopic, which means it naturally absorbs moisture from the air. Spiritually, it's believed to do the same thing with heavy, stagnant, or toxic energy. Has your bedroom become a place of arguments or tension? Have you been recovering from an illness? Ever walk into the room and the air just feels heavy, no matter how much you clean? This is what spiritual practitioners would call lingering energetic residue. A simple practice involves leaving a bowl of salt in the room for a day to absorb that negativity, which is said to restore a sense of lightness and harmony. This extends to your own energy field too. Taking a salt bath with Epsom or Himalayan salt before sleep is a profound act of personal energetic cleansing. It's believed to help wash away the spiritual burdens and anxieties you might have picked up during the day, ensuring you enter your sacred sleep space in a state of purity. Perhaps the most profound power of salt comes from its deep symbolic meaning. In the Old Testament, God established a covenant of salt with his people. This wasn't a casual agreement. A covenant of salt signified a promise that was permanent and incorruptible. When you place salt in your bedroom with intention, you're tapping into that same powerful symbolism. You are establishing your own covenant of peace and protection over your space. You're stating that this room belongs to rest and to divine order. When Jesus called his followers the salt of the earth, he was highlighting their role in preserving goodness in a world prone to decay. By using salt, you are invoking that same preservative, purifying power in your own life. You are consecrating your bedroom and declaring it a place where only peace and protection are welcome. If you're feeling a pull to experience this for yourself, I really invite you to try it. Before you go to sleep tonight, just place a small bowl of salt in your bedroom. See what you notice. How do you sleep? How do you dream? How does the room feel when you wake up? Please share your results or your own favorite salt rituals in the comments below. Your story could be the very thing someone else needs to hear to reclaim their own peace. Now that you understand the immense power of salt in these traditions, you can start to recognize the subtle signs that your space might be in desperate need of its help. These are the signs most people miss, writing them off as something else entirely. The first and most common sign is poor sleep that has no clear medical reason. This could be persistent insomnia, waking up multiple times a night, or having recurring disturbing dreams. In a spiritual context, this is often seen as your spirit's way of telling you that the environment it's trying to rest in is energetically compromised. Another sign to look for is a feeling of being drained or anxious the moment you wake up. You should wake up feeling refreshed, but if you consistently wake up feeling heavy, sluggish, or with a sense of dread, it could be an indicator that you've been marinating in negative energy all night instead of restorative energy. Pay attention to the emotional atmosphere. If your bedroom has become a place where tension and arguments erupt more frequently, it might be a sign that the energy of the space itself has become polluted and is now influencing behavior. A sudden lack of motivation or a general feeling of being uninspired that seems centered in your home can also be seen as a spiritual symptom that the energetic environment needs a serious clearing. Putting this into practice is simple, but it should be done with intention. Here is your step-by-step guide to performing a sacred salt cleansing in your bedroom. Step 1. Choose your salt. For spiritual work, it's best to use pure, natural salts like sea salt, rock salt, or pink Himalayan salt. These salts are minimally processed and are believed to hold a more potent, energetic charge. Pink Himalayan salt, in particular, is thought to add a gentle, loving energy to the cleansing. Step 2. Set your intention. This is where the real power comes in. Hold the salt in your hands and state your intention clearly, either aloud or in your mind. This isn't a magic trick. It's an act of focused will. You might say something like, "I consecrate this salt as an instrument of purity. I ask that it cleanse this space of all negativity, all fear, and all energy that is not for my highest good. I declare this room a sanctuary of peace and protection." Step 3. The sacred placement. Once your intention is set, place the salt. You can put small, open bowls of salt in the four corners of your bedroom. The corners are where energy is thought to get stuck, so this creates a complete grid of purification. For targeted protection during sleep, place a bowl under your bed. Placing salt along windowsills and at the entrance to your bedroom door can reinforce the boundary, preventing negative energy from entering. Step 4. The disposal. Leave the salt in place for at least 24 to 48 hours. During this time, it's believed to be actively absorbing negative energy. It is therefore critical that you dispose of it properly. Please do not reuse it or eat it. This salt is now considered spiritually full. The best way to dispose of it is to flush it down the toilet, sending the negative energy away with water. Alternatively, you can bury it in the earth far from your home, allowing the earth to neutralize it. As you dispose of it, thank it for its service. Step 5. Affirm and visualize. As you finish, reinforce your intention. Close your eyes and visualize your bedroom being filled with a brilliant, white, protective light. See it forming a shield around your room, sealing it in peace. You can repeat this ritual anytime you feel the energy becoming heavy again, after an argument, an illness, or just as a monthly spiritual tune-up to keep your sanctuary pure. The hidden spiritual meaning of salt in your bedroom isn't a complicated mystery. It's a simple, accessible, and deeply powerful truth that has been honored for millennia. It's seen as a tool of protection, a vessel of purification, and a symbol of peace. You don't have to live with a feeling of energetic unease in your own home. You don't have to put up with restless nights and anxious mornings. The solution, according to ancient wisdom, could be sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now. Don't overlook the power in the simple things. Let this ancient practice serve you. Salt your room, guard your rest, and watch how the atmosphere of your life begins to shift. Thank you for joining me. If this message resonated with you, please subscribe and turn on notifications for more spiritual insights. You are a powerful creator of your own reality, and your home should be the first reflection of that beautiful truth.